Hi everyone. In this series, I'm going to teach you how to design a new WordPress-powered website using the Elementor page builder. Elementor is one of the best WordPress website builders available, and you can create your website without ever touching a line of code. I'm going to be using the Elementor skeleton theme, which they call the Hello theme. This will provide us with a blank canvas so that I can show you how everything works from scratch. Let's get started with a quick installation. I'm starting on a fresh installation of WordPress. I'm going to install Elementor, Elementor Pro, and the Elementor Hello theme, which you can download from their GitHub. I will provide a link in the description. If you are going to use the free version, then you can just skip the second step. You can still follow along if you are using the free version. I will indicate when we are using a Pro widget or function. If you would like to purchase the Pro version, you can find the link in the description. Please use this link as it will help support my channel and it won't cost you anything extra. Now let's get to the installation. We logged into WordPress already, so if you're not logged in already, you can log in now. You can then navigate to Plugins and add New. In the search bar, just search for Elementor. Install now, and then we activate. Alright, now that the free version of Elementor is installed, if you have the Pro version, we can install that now. You need to first download the Elementor plugin from their website. So again, we go add new, upload plugin, navigate to the location where you save the plugin, select it and install now. We activate the plugin. And the last step is to activate your license. You'll find your license key on their website as well. Next we are going to install the theme. So navigate to Appearance, Themes, then click on Add New. Upload theme. Then navigate to the location where you save the theme file. Again, you can find this on GitHub and I'll provide the link below. Select it and install now. And then activate the theme. Right, that's it for the installation. Once the installation is complete, I always create my home page and a couple of other blank pages and a menu so that we have something to work with once we start creating the website. Let's first create our pages by navigating to Pages, Add New. And let's create 5 pages and call them Home, About Us, Services, FAQ, and Contact Us. Once created, navigate to Appearance, Menus, and we'll create a new menu from here. So I'll just call it Main Menu, then say Create, and then we're going to add all our pages that we just created. You can just ignore the sample page, as that's the page that comes standard with WordPress installation. Add to Menu, and then we'll just reorder this. And we save the menu. The last thing we need to do is set our newly created homepage in WordPress settings. To do this, navigate to Settings, Reading, and then where it says your homepage displays, select a static page and just select Home as your homepage. And then save your changes. We are now ready to start creating our website. In part 2, we will create our website header, navigation, and footer. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Cheers for now.